again, I realize that India comes from a big cultural diversity. Somebody speaks Tamil, somebody speaks Oriya, so they're not very conversant with one common language, that is English. And normally in the corporate worlds, people are conversing in English, which becomes very difficult for the very simpleton. He may be very brilliant, and it's not that he's not talented or something. He's very talented. But it's just that he is inexpressive of his thoughts. He can't express what he knows and what he wants to talk about. So that is one thing that I believe is lacking. And somehow I don't know how to fill this gap, because communication skill has been a very, very big impediment to a lot of students. They don't know how to communicate well. But then again, and I look back and I think that even the curriculum part, where we people are designing programs for MBA or maybe for other engineering courses, we are lacking behind between what the industry actually wants versus what are we teaching. And that itself is a very, very big gap, which I think needs to be closed. Every year, I think every university which is, designing program courses need to refresh themselves and find out what is the industry latest practices and good practices are. Because if they don't, bring in forward the latest trends and their demand for what the next position of their employment should hold, I think it will not be right on part of universities to continuously kind of re-roll the older regimental curriculums, and that can be a little problematic for the students themselves. So please be noting this fact that curriculum integration has to be updated very timely, and every year it has to be reviewed.